All right, this is a 2007 Mercedes CLS550 W219 platform. So what I'm going to do today is going to show everybody how to remove the shift knob from here with this entire component here. And most importantly, I know a lot of people have issues with the push start button right here, the keyless go button on the shifter. So there's two pins inside that sometimes could break, and that's when it usually stops working. Anyway, I'm not going to get into the mechanical details because I'm not a mechanic, but I'm just going to show everybody how to remove the shift knob, and including the keyless go push start button right here. I've looked all around, and honestly it's been very challenging to find any good videos that show this process. So you want to start right here on the right side and just push in just to get it going. There you go. Once it pops up, just take your time, and there you go, it pops up. Now what you want to do in order to remove the entire shift knob, there's a button here that you need to twist about a quarter of a turn. That releases the shift knob. Once you've done that, then do not turn the shift knob itself left and right, because you'll end up breaking the two pins inside. What you do is you just give it a nice push upward. There you go, and it comes out. This is what I was talking about. This basically locks the shift knob in place when you move it clockwise quarter of a turn. Obviously before you remove it, turn it counterclockwise quarter of a turn and then push up. Now we're going to go inside, and I'm going to remove the push pin button. So after you remove the shift knob from the car, from the center console, then in order to remove the keyless go push button, you just got to remove this ring here, and I would suggest you get a small screwdriver such as this one right here, and you gotta try to get in there from the front of the shift knob right here where you see this line, and then just pry it up. There you go, and then it just comes out. After that, then you can move the button itself, and this is the button that comes out. Then kind of moved here, but you're gonna see this piece here, which basically is that push button. It's in the shape of an X. You could take this one out, put it aside, remember the way it was put in, and then get a pair of pliers and gently remove the pins from the shift knob. And what you want to do is make sure that these pins are not broken. If they are, then obviously you're going to have to replace them. But if they're fine, then you just do the reverse process. You put them back. However, though, to put them back, you got to make sure that these pins go right in here into those two tiny holes. I don't know if it's visible, but they're right there. You got to make sure that those pins go one in each hole, and then you push it down until it's in place. Then you go back and you get this piece right here, the X piece, that's what I'm going to call it, and make sure you position it in the X position to match these corners here. There you go. Then you take the push button, make sure the engine start stop wording is the right way, push it in slowly, give it a good push, and you're gonna hear the click. That means it's in place. Then you take the ring that you've removed from the shift knob originally and look for this right here. There's like a notch. Make sure the notch is facing the front of the shift knob, and then just push it right back in. And there you go. It's back in where it needs to be. You could feel it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the reverse, and we're gonna install the shift knob back. What you wanna do is you wanna be careful that when you put it down, those two pins don't break. There's two little spots in there in the shift knob for the pins to go in. So you wanna try to slide it down very slowly and gently to make sure that the pins don't break, but most importantly, they go in. So I'm gonna do that right now. You push it straight down. Do not turn it left or right. Gently push it down. Let it find its way down. And there you go. You hear a click. I don't know if you heard it on the phone, but there's a click to it. And then, obviously, you push the boot down. Align it properly. And put it right back where it belongs. Just keep tugging until you get it right. Obviously, make sure that you don't break anything. Just go slow. And there you have it. Back in place, just like it belongs. You can hear the push button, the click. It's all good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I did this mostly to help people because I've been searching throughout the internet, and honestly I couldn't find anything. I've been through forums. There's a bunch of pictures, but the pictures, they do some justice up to a certain degree, but not like a video. And I know a lot of people are asking questions how to remove the button, so basically I sacrificed my own car, but definitely right there. Remove the boot, remove the ring, remove the push button, and then remove the internal component with the two pins going in. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions or comments, please comment below, and please subscribe. Thank you.